I imagine I got like an epic or some shit from this. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Fire break. SVG camo. Are you kidding me? Battery. I don't have any of them. Gentlemen. Boom! Oh my gosh.
You
Oh my
suck.
gosh. I got gangbanged. Right after. Oh my gosh. You gotta be. Last turn.
You
Are you
suck.
fucking kidding me right now? Literally, it was harder to miss. Nice. No. What the fuck? Why did I get two camos? I got the shittest camo twice. This map is my map. Move, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. Sneaking. Dangerously shy. Why am I aiming up? What am I aiming at a plane? Why did I aim up for? You're joking!